You guys must have seen in many spy movies and military documentaries soldiers wearing this kind of devices for operation in darkness and night scene. This is night vision goggles or night vision glasses. Night vision devices may seem and sound newer, but it's been around for centuries. During World War II, Germany invented night vision goggles so that they could fight at the night against USA. And after that, everyone saw and made these devices for their army too. So in this video, we'll discuss what is this night vision devices, how does it work, and what are the uses of night vision devices other than military and army. Night vision is the ability to see things in low light or a dark condition, either naturally through eyes or artificially with the help of technology. Humans have very poor vision at night as compared to animal, but devices like night vision glasses allowing user to see things in total darkness. Many animals like dog and cat appear to have glowing eyes in the night because their eyeball is having a special reflective layer that is called tapetum lucidum. This help to see better in the low light condition by working like a mirror on their retina. This reflect back the light through their eyes and help them to see things and survive in a total darkness. Night vision technology work by image intensification, thermal imaging or infrared radiation. Firstly, we'll talk about image intensification. Image intensification is the process in which low light is amplified into brighter light by converting the photon from object into electronic image. It emit real time green light because the human eye is most sensitive to green color. Green color reduces eye strain, making it more easier to differentiate shape and size of object in a dark or low light places. Second one is thermal imaging. Thermal imaging is a technology that uses a special type of camera to detect invisible heat energy emitted by object and convert these heat pattern into visible images called thermograms. It excels at spotting living things and machinery by their heat signature, even in the complete darkness. Thermal imaging appears very bright and colorful because camera assigned to show different color to represent different heat levels. Here blue represent cold temperature while red and yellow suggest warmth temperature. In this type of night vision you can also see through the smoke, fire, heat and raining and spot hidden object like animal and things in a complete darkness very easily. Last and the third is infrared imaging. It is also called digital night vision. In this device capture infrared light and display the real-time image on screen. Infrared imaging relies on active infrared radiation instead of visible light. Night vision devices get infrared radiation from ambient sources like faint starlight, moonlight, and other man-made devices. Infrared night vision mostly produce image in black and white format. Infrared night vision, often known as standard or active night vision, because it has several benefits over thermal imaging and image intensification. Infrared night vision gives much detailed and much brighter image than the thermal imaging and image intensification, and it also requires less power. Apart from army and military, it has so many applications in various fields. Most CCTV camera works without light because of night vision technology that allows them to capture clear photos even in darkness. It is also beneficial in studying wildlife. It can monitor and surveillance the endangered species in forest and also protect them. Many aircraft and ship also uses night vision for navigation at night. During World War II, before night vision devices, walkie-talkie was invented first. Walkie-talkie had played a vital role in World War II. If you guys want more information about walkie-talkie and how it's work, you guys please watch my previous video on walkie-talkie. Link of that video will be given in description box below.